All right. I'll make you're back to the host.
Okay.
All right. So you can share your screen. So right now, we're going to Binance. So for Binance, unlike Bybit, Binance, the minimum order for Binance is $6. That's the minimum you can do on Binance. Okay.
Okay.
So for Binance, we can check. I'm trying to check the coins you can trade because Binance has a minimum. That's a minimum. All right. So I want to see if Doge is part of that minimum. Okay, we're still going to treat all those topics on minimum order. So I'm trying to select. Sorry. Okay, let's do. Okay, $300. Tap on APE. 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 I'm trying to open to see if Binance will allow for. You just open. All right. Tap on APE. Okay. Scroll down to settings. Scroll down to settings because we're looking for the minimum size, minimum order. So, like I said, this is Binance. So if you're doing a $300 on Binance, usually you're doing 6% of your capital. Okay. So 6%, like we did, 6% is 18. Okay, 6% of $300 is 18. So then we are proposing on doing 3 coins. So now divide it by 3. So you divide it by 3, you're getting 6. Means that we can actually do $6 per coin since that's the minimum order from Binance. So go to your trades types of strategy, which is millionaire strategy. Millionaire strategy. So I'm trying to see what Binance offers. Okay. Thankfully, Doge, you can do Doge. Okay. All right. So long and short, your position should be long and short. Tap on long and short. Yes. Yes. Okay. So then change the coins now to 6. What coin are we doing? Is this Doge or Ape?
No, it's APE.
Ape?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, Ape, you can't do $6. Ape is actually 7. So now we're going to choose another coin, okay? We'll
Okay, so I should go back.
Yeah, just go back, do CRV, sorry. Just go and choose CRV, please.
Okay.
Choose CRV. You do CRV, tap on the millionaire, okay? Long and short. Then convert to $6.
That's the first order.
Yes. So $6. $6, yes. Yes, short. The second one, $6. Okay. What phone do you use?
The Samsung.
Okay, let's see if your Samsung will allow for leverage 10. Change leverage to 10, please. 10. Leverage is 10. Okay. Okay, now remember I said the stop loss is 100 times the first order. So you're doing 600. So 100 times 6 is 600. That's how it goes. So 100 times 6, yes, 600. And the take profit is constant. That's 10,000. $10,000. $10,000. Okay. Yeah. Don't bother doubling the button, okay? Because yeah, do not bother because you're doing $6 already. We double it for those who are doing $1, $2. So already you're doing $6. So now confirm it. Let's see if it will work on Samsung. This confirm. Tap on confirm. Okay, see, like I said, it works on Samsung perfectly. So start. So start, then yeah. So we just did CRV, right?
Yes, sir.
Now go. Let's do dots. DOT. Dots. DOT.
DOT.
DOT. Dots. Look at it there. Tap on dots. Let's do dots. Settings. Yeah. Types of strategy. Always millionaire strategy. Millionaire strategy. Yes.
Sure.
Then yeah. Then of course long and short.
First order
Six.
C6.
Six. Yes. 6 6. Yeah. Then
Stop
10.
loss.
Leverage is 10. Leverage is 10. Yeah. Total stop loss 600. Yes, but total stop loss is 100 times your order size, which is 6 times 100. So 10,000. Remember, then confirm. You confirm it and you start. Start. And the last one is Dodge. The last is Dodge. The last is Dodge. Okay, go to settings. Let me see the question. Okay. Yeah, everything is on record.
The order is
Okay.
T6, right?
Yeah, 6.
Yes, sir.
6. Leverage is 10. Yeah. Then total stop loss. Yeah, 600. Then the constant, which is total take profit, is 10,000. You confirm it and start. So we've successfully done a $300 account on Binance. Okay, you
Okay,
confirm
sir,
it.
please excuse.
All right. So you go to your Binance and we check this out. All right. Okay,
Okay,
just
sir,
go
please
back.
excuse.
Hold on. Activated coins. Tap on activated coins or either way. Just go back. Activated coins. All right. So after you cross-check, make sure everything you did is on 666 and tap on that dot. Let's see. Tap on dots. Let's see the other size. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You can see it's trading. Already the number of orders is on layer 1 already. Layer 1 has been taken. Layer 1 has been taken. So go to your Binance. Let's quickly go to Binance and see how it is acting in Binance. Let's see if this robot is active in your Binance. So a quick one and yeah, a quick one. Go to your wallet. Now go to your futures. Go to futures at the bottom. At the bottom there, the futures at the bottom. Futures. Okay, you can see all the trades there. Can you see them? Scroll down. You can see them. Hold on. Where are we? Hold on.
Features.
Yes, position. Can you see your position is 6?
6.
Refresh it and okay, tap on here and see your position. Okay. So that's it. Yeah.
So this pop-up, I don't know if you're seeing it.
Yeah, just close it, please. Let's tap on later. Tap on later. All right, so everything is perfect. So you can see it.
Yes, sir.
The robot is trading like it's a human being there, but you're not the one doing this. It's the robot trading all of them at the same time. So that's it. Go back to your COINTECH and we are done. Questions, please? Any other person? So we
Yes,
can
sir.
conclude. Yeah.
Okay, sir. What if I want to edit the settings on a coin? Do I need to stop the trade first, or I should just
No.
go on and
No, you can go ahead and edit. Probably you want to change, you want to increase it to a higher, maybe you just added more money and you can, okay, you can
okay,
always increase it. So we just successfully set up a Binance trade, right? And it's trading successfully using 6% of your capital. So you just multiply by 6%, whatever you're doing, multiply by 6%. Binance, make sure your, of course, the spreadsheet is there, which is readily available on our
sir, you said
charts.
you send it.
Okay,